I just hit 1K subscribers. You have no idea how happy I am. So I started this channel 3 years ago, initially posting just one video, not for content creation. Then I became active in November last year. I decided to take YouTube seriously when I made a post of daily affirmation with my kids, okay? So this journey taught me an important lesson that never stop posting. Growth doesn't happen overnight, no way. But when you stay consistent, show up for your audience and keep improving, you will see results. You will definitely see the results. Every video you post, build your brand, okay? Grow your community. So to everyone who has supported today's channel, I want to say a very big thank you. Like, we did it, okay? Today is 1K subscriber. I should be over 1K, like 1,000 something, okay? So to everyone that made this possible, because you guys did it, okay? I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. Your likes, comments, and shares have made this possible. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, okay? Let's all grow together. So I will tell you step by step on what to do in order to grow, for you to grow on your YouTube channel, for you to attract subscribers. So watch to the end, because you must learn something today, okay? Stay tuned. One of the biggest game changer is studying successful creators in your niche. There are some people that have been on this YouTube for a very long time and they've made names, you know. They've studied bigger people and they have created good videos and they have made it on YouTube and they have followers. So what you will do is study their channel, watch their videos and know what they are doing right, okay? One thing you should do is please try and watch videos to the end. Most times is at the end you will get something you're looking for. You will get a point, okay? Like this video, try and watch to the end, because most times is at the end that you have that point you want to use to create your own content. That is where you find it, okay? Then copy trending video ideas. Look at what was working for other content creators in your niche and create similar videos with unique twists, okay? Just create something and twist it. You must not copy everything, you know. You must not copy everything. Just create something and use it, okay? Then use the right hashtags. I check the hashtags of successful creators, the big YouTubers are using, and I add them to my video description. All right, guys, before I continue, if you are ready to grow with me on this YouTube journey, just type "Let's Grow." I will subscribe to your channel and everyone will do so. Just type "Let's Grow," okay? Another thing I notice is that don't just watch a video, try and comment on videos. I comment a lot. It's not only for the big YouTubers. This should be generally. When you comment on people's videos, trust me, you will get subscribers there. That has happened a lot. In fact, I've gained over 100 subscribers by commenting on people's channels. Some people will tell you, no, don't comment or this. Please comment on people's channels when you watch. But what you should do is, please don't just go to that channel and say, oh, this is nice. Try and watch that video for your own good. So know this, the more you respond to comments and interact with viewers, the more YouTube pushes your video, whether it's a positive comment or negative comment. If you can just say, okay, I heard you, even if it is negative. If it is positive, you can say thank you so much, okay? The more you do that, the more YouTube pushes your video. So please don't dull any moment you have, okay? And again, I want us to do this. If you are serious in growing on this YouTube, just type Let's grow. What I want to do for my audience is anybody that types that is going to get subscription from me. I will subscribe to your channel. Just let's do this so we can all grow together, okay? Because everybody wants to grow. Today I hit 1K. It can be you tomorrow. There are people higher. I'm celebrating 1K. There are some people celebrating 1 million subscribers, 100,000, right? 100, you should celebrate. Even 50, you should celebrate because it is not easy. Okay, this journey is not easy. So let us grow. Just type, hit the subscribe button, and then let's all grow on this YouTube platform because it's a free world and I would like all of us to get there. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.